In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete custom formula rows in Xero reports. Custom formula rows can be handy for quick calculations, but over time, they can pile up and make your profit and loss harder to read. Today, we'll walk through a safe, clean way to remove those unused rows so your report shows only what matters. This process doesn't delete any accounts or transactions. It only removes the extra formula line from the layout, keeping your financial data intact. Start by signing in to your Xero account and make sure you're in the correct organization. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check the organization selector in the header so any changes affect the right company. From the main navigation, click Reporting to open the Reports area. Next, choose Profit and Loss. Give the page a second to load, and confirm you're viewing the right report, date range, and tracking options for context. We're not changing those settings. They're just helpful to see the impact of the layout changes you're about to make. At the top of the Profit and Loss, click Edit Layout. This switches the report into layout editing mode and reveals a toolbar across the top. In the body of the report, locate the custom formula row you want to remove. These rows typically display a calculated value you or a colleague added previously. Click to select that specific formula row so it's highlighted. Selecting it first ensures that the toolbar actions apply to the correct line. With the row selected, click the Delete icon in the top toolbar. Xero may prompt you to confirm the removal. Read the message to be sure you're deleting the intended formula. Then confirm. Remember, you're only removing this one formula row from the layout. Your underlying accounts, figures, and historical data remain exactly as they were. If you realize the row was still needed, you can always recreate a new formula later using the same layout tools. After confirming, review the updated report layout on screen. Scan the surrounding sections to make sure subtotals and totals still look correct, and that the flow of the report makes sense without that formula. When you're satisfied, click Update Layout to save your changes. Finally, exit Edit Layout to return to the standard report view and continue your analysis. It's also helpful to note the layout name in the header, especially if your team shares templates across entities. That's it. By following these steps, you can remove unused custom formula rows from Xero profit and loss reports for a cleaner, more reliable layout.